In this video, you will learn how to create comprehensive documentation using RapidDox in seconds for your Microsoft Power BI dashboard. Log on to RapidDox.com by clicking on the Login button on the top right-hand side. Once you've logged in, click on New button on the left-hand side. Click on the Browse button or drag and drop Power BI file with a pbit extension. Please note, RapidDox SaaS version only accepts .pbit files. Once RapidDox processes the file, you'll see 100% on the dial. You have three options here: Export Now, Analyze, and Continue Customization. If you'd like to export the documentation directly, click on the Export Now button. If you'd like to perform an extensive search or analyze metadata of your pbit file, click on the Analyze button. Let's click on the Continue Customization button to customize the documentation further. In this screen, you'll be able to add background information about the Power BI pbit file you just imported into RapidDox. Enter your company name and choose a logo. Instead of entering these details manually every time, you can set these as default in the Settings tab found on the left-hand side. Add a description of the Power BI pbit file you just imported. Some meaningful information that anyone can understand the purpose of these dashboards. Enter your stakeholder's or requester's name and the person that developed this workbook. Enter the date when this request came through and the completion date. Enter the audience or user's name of these dashboards. It could be individual people or team names. Click Next. In this screen, you can import high-quality images of your dashboards to include them in your documentation. To learn more about how to import and include them in your documentation, watch the video named How to Include High-Quality Images in Your Documentation. Click Next. In this screen, you'll be able to customize the layout of your documentation. You can reorder the layout by simply dragging and dropping sections of your documentation around. Deselect the sections you don't want to see in the output. If you haven't already set the default header and footer content in the Settings tab, you can customize them here. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Next. Now your customized and extensive documentation is ready to be exported to one of these formats. Let's click on PDF format. We made RapidDox flexible for you. Export the document to MS Word for further editing if required. If you'd like to share documentation with the broader audience, you can host them on your intranet. One way is to publish your documentation in HTML format. In the MS Excel format, you'll see all the metadata in tabular form. Visit rapiddox.com/tutorials to view more video tutorials.